Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Good morning or evening or afternoon. Let me know how you doing on the comment on my channel, guys. Guys, it is 3:05 p.m. here in Cherryville, Missouri, here in the United States. Yeah, I'm going for a walk. Currently it's right now 73 degrees out here right now. Guys, check it out. I'm gonna take a walk here, guys. I'm gonna try to hold the camera up like this. Maybe you guys won't hear my loud footsteps. Yeah, I'm taking a walk and show you guys scenery. Look, pretty nice out. Look, the sky. The sky, guys. Sky is pretty blue today. A nice day out. Nice day to take a walk. And we have no Wi-Fi at our house, no internet. We ain't had internet for a couple hours now. They hopefully I don't get my hand in front of the camera. I am. The phone companies having a problem with the Wi-Fi. My brother-in-law called and they said there's something wrong with the switch. And they're trying to fix it. So they ain't got no internet right now. And yeah, guys, I'm taking a walk. I'm taking you guys with me. I think I'm gonna take this path again, guys. Right through here. That way you guys don't hear all that, oh, I already passed the path, guys. Comet, go home. Comet, go home. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Come on, Comet. Alright, guys, I'm back. I had to bring the dog back to the house. It's following me. I want to follow me up here on the highway road up here, guys. I want to get run over. But here I go again. Bless me. Whew. Guys, I just died a little bit. They say when you sneeze, you die a little bit. It stops your heart for a second. Because it takes so much to sneeze. And Max over there barking at me. And we're going, guys. We're on our way now. Finally. And here's the path. I'm gonna go this way so you guys don't hear the gravel under my feet. I'm gonna take their little path that they made. Take the little path they made, plus their shade. There is shade here. Woo! Woo! Check it out, guys. We in the woods. Bug just flew in my ear. Hope you guys enjoying this walk, guys. Check it out. Nice shady. Nice and shaded in the wood, guys. What's that? Old beer boss or something over there. Old beer boss or something over there. Out in the woods. Oh. Jeez Louise. Guys, I keep running into spider webs. I have to stop going in the woods. Oh. Spider webs. Yeah. No. Now you guys are gonna hear my footprints. You're gonna hear my footsteps now. Got a butterfly flying here. Have you guys seen that? Look, guys. Got a cobweb on my screen. That's nice. Yeah, This is the second video I'm making for you guys today. Hope you guys are enjoying it, taking a walk. The kids didn't want to go because it's a little bit too warm for them, I guess. It's okay for me though. Feels pretty good. 73 degrees out and there's a breeze. So, yeah, check it out, guys. Guys, how you doing? Leave a comment on my channel, guys. How your day going? How your morning going, or evening, or afternoon? Oh, let's switch hands here, guys. Hopefully I'll not put my hand in front of the camera. Guys. I'm gonna have to save my money up and buy me what you call a selfie stick. Man, it's really hard to hold. Even though this is a tiny phone, it makes your arm weak, tired. Makes your arm tired holding it up like this. Well, I'm doing it for you guys because you know you guys are awesome. Our Lord Jesus Christ love you guys. Our Lord Jesus Christ blesses you and your family. And Lord Jesus Christ loves everyone in the world and blesses everyone in the world. I love you guys too. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and supporting me. I love you guys. Look at these butterflies, guys. You see them? Oh, you didn't see them. It's too fast, guys. I couldn't catch them. I couldn't catch them on the camera, guys. But check it out, guys. This is like the Old West right here. Like Old West. It's like old sign they like have in the Old West there, guys. I think I'll walk over on this side, guys, because it's sandy over here. Not as much gravel. So maybe it'll filter my footsteps. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Hey, you know what they say, if you don't make content, then you ain't gonna get anywhere. You ain't gonna get anywhere with your channel. This is another path that kids made. Is that another path these kids made? I think it is. Going back in the woods. This is another path these kids made. And it goes all the way down, I think. Dang. Look at that. Oh, it went all the way down all through there. Okay, yeah. I don't think I want to follow that. Dang, kids. Even though it's shady and feels good. But yeah, I'm getting my exercise in, so that's good. And I got a cobweb on my screen. I'm afraid to touch my screen. I might shut the video off, guys. I put my hand in front of the screen again, guys. Sorry. And hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. And I need to just walk. The air quality feels pretty good. Smells good. And yeah, I'm gonna take you on a different path today, guys, from my other video. Okay, we're hitting gravel now, guys, so you're probably gonna hear my footsteps. And yeah, whew, get my exercise in, and it's warm. It's a little warm. 73 degrees, not too bad, but still warm. The sun beaming down on me. Woods. Old pipe laying on the ground. I don't know why people leave that stuff like they just dump that stuff. I don't know why people do that, guys. It's not right. And yeah. See? Old dirt gravel road I'm walking on, guys. This is why I on my last few videos I was saying I had allergy problems, guys, because I live out in the middle of the country here, guys. Dirt road, and yeah, guys, my face is hurting, eyeballs hurting, had a headache, Still, my eyeball's hurting a little bit today, guys, but it's okay. Got a little bit of headache, but I'm all right. Whew. Holy moly. Getting it done. Getting the exercise in, guys. This hill is no joke. Whew. Not up a hill right now, guys. It's no joke. Whew. There goes the car. Ah. Holy moly. I did it. I made it to the top of the hill, guys. I made it to the top of the hill. Neighbor's house. I like that house, guys. The house right there, I like that house. It's a nice house the neighbor has. And I'm taking it a different way now, guys. I went that way last time. And now I'm gonna go this way. Whew. And the shade is here. Ah. Ain't bad in the shade, guys. Feels pretty good. Let's check it out, guys. Yeah. My life in the countryside, guys. Feels pretty good in the shade. Just walking here. Now check this weird, odd-shaped tree out. What is going on with this? Holy moly! Look at that tree. You see that, guys? Wow. It's not alive either. The tree's dead, guys. Look at this one. Tree, big old tree fell down right here. I thought there was a car coming, guys. But yeah, check it out, guys. How you doing? Guys, I hope you're enjoying this like I am. Give you a 360. All right. Yeah. Oh, that was a fast 360 right, 360 right there. Yeah, but yeah. Oh, look at the yellow flowers, guys. Nice. Them are pretty. Them are really pretty. Wildflowers on the side of the road. Yeah. All this private owned. See the fence, guys? It's private owned. Over there, nobody owns that though. I'm sure people does own it, but they ain't got no fence up, guys. Over here, there's a fence. Here in Cherryville, Missouri. United States, guys. Got my hand in front of the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, I need a selfie stick. I think that's what they call them. Old dead tree over here. Another one on the ground. But that one looks like somebody chopped it down. Looks like somebody sawed that one down, guys. So I don't think that one fell down. I think somebody sawed it down and got wood from it and left the rest. But yeah, check it out, guys. Beautiful day. Look at the clouds up there. Look at that nice cloud up there. What they call them? Cumulus clouds? White. I like them kind of clouds. They're nice to look at. And my arm just touched a weed. And here's more of them wildflowers. That one's not doing so good, guys. They're in the sun. Some more of them wildflowers over here. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm doing this for you guys. All these wildflowers. Check it out, guys. Hopefully we'll see something good, guys, like an eagle or something. We have eagles out here, guys. We have, if see the eagles, I'll film it. Look at that. Holy moly. That is one tall weed. Holy crap. Yeah, check it out over here, guys. Now this one fell down. That one fell down. Nobody chopped that one down. That one there. Guys, there's a lot of trees that are no longer alive and fell down on the side of the road, guys. From, you know, like tornadoes and storms. And there's a trailer. I guess nobody's living there anymore. Either that or they just moved it in there, guys, and they're moving in there. Nice big property though. And yeah. Oh, sorry, I got my fingers in front of the camera. I might have to make me a selfie stick, guys. There's a tree. Little tree fell over on the fence. A lot of them fell over on the fence over here. Wow. Walking in the shade, guys. Feels better in the shade. And get my exercise in. You guys, I do it like this, the little camera in the corner. When I on the double screen, I always don't want to match up. And I gotta figure out that Master app, guys. There's a trail going through there. Four-wheeler trail going through there. All the way down that way. Move over. Oh, yeah, guys, look. Nice. But yeah, guys, hi. Just going and walking. Taking a nice walk. Nice walk. Here with you guys. Oh, somebody's dog is coming. Whose dog is that? I don't know whose dog that is, but there's a car coming. But yeah, guys, let's take a nice walk here. The lady's bringing her dog back home. Followed them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoying this video, guys. Nice nature walk here. Nice nature walk. Look at that, guys. So nice. Electric utility. Says do not dig. Alright, guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna, let's see here. Oh, that's pretty nice over there. End this right here, and I'll continue a different video. Guys, please let your friends and family know about my channel, SameWolf2133 on YouTube, SAME Wolf2133 on YouTube. And our Lord Jesus Christ love you. Our Lord Jesus Christ blesses you, bless your family. And Lord Jesus Christ love everyone in the world, bless everyone in the world. And guys, please let your friends and family know about my channel. Hit that like and notification bell and subscribe to SameWolf21. And I'll continue on my next video. See you later, Gator Tater. Goodbye.